Hey everyone, I will discuss today the parts of and function of camera lens. Number 1. Focus ring. The focus ring on a camera lens is a physical control that allows the photographer to manually adjust the focus lens. Number 2. Hood mount. On a camera lens is the part of the lens designed to attach a lens hood. It's also to protect for the lens for bumps, scratches, and even light rain. Number 3. Filter mounting thread. On a camera lens is the threaded section of the front of the lens designed to attach various filters. Number 4. Image stabilizer. Switch on the camera lens allow the user to enable or disable the lens built-in stabilization system. Number 5. Lens mount index. On a camera lens is a small, usually colored mark dot or line that helps the lens with the camera body when mounting the lens. Number 6. Focus mode switch. On a camera lens allows the photographer to toggle between different focus modes, typically between automatic and manual focus. Number 7. Zoom ring. On a camera lens is a rotating ring that allows the photographer to change the focal length on the lens, zooming in or out on a subject. Number 8. Zoom position index. On a camera lens is a marker, usually a small line or dot, located on the lens barrel. Number 9. Contacts. In a camera lens are small electric pins or pads, usually located at the rear of the lens, wherein attaches to the camera body.